A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, former New Jersey Senator Bob Menendez has filed a motion in federal court requesting that his recent corruption conviction be overturned and that a new trial be granted. Menendez's legal team argues that the conviction, which resulted from a jury's review of improper evidence, is fundamentally flawed. This plea comes after prosecutors acknowledged that incorrect versions of key evidence were inadvertently loaded onto a laptop used by jurors during their deliberations. The implications of this revelation could have significant consequences for Menendez, who was found guilty of 16 charges, including bribery, in July. The charges stemmed from allegations that he accepted bribes in exchange for political favors, particularly concerning military aid to Egypt. As the legal battle unfolds, Menendez's lawyers contend that the improper evidence presented to the jury was crucial to the case against him. They argue that the exhibits in question provided the only connection between Menendez and the military aid decisions, which were central to the bribery allegations. The defense has expressed outrage over the government's handling of the evidence, stating that the inclusion of this material represents a serious breach of protocol. They assert that the jury's exposure to this information undermines the integrity of the trial and warrants a new one. Prosecutors, on the other hand, have attempted to downplay the significance of the error, suggesting that there is little likelihood any juror actually viewed the improper evidence. They maintain that the defense team had the opportunity to inspect the laptop's contents before it was presented to the jury and did not raise any objections at that time. However, Menendez's lawyers have countered this argument, emphasizing that they had limited time to review nearly 3,000 exhibits and expected the government to provide accurate and properly labeled materials. The defense's motion highlights the critical nature of the evidence that was mishandled, asserting that it directly connected Menendez to the alleged bribery scheme. They argue that the improper disclosure of this information allowed the jury to infer criminality in a manner that violated the protections afforded by the speech or debate clause of the Constitution. This clause shields legislators from being questioned about their legislative actions, and Menendez's defense insists that the evidence presented to the jury crossed this line. The legal ramifications of this case extend beyond Menendez himself. They could have broader implications for the political landscape, particularly as the 2024 election approaches. The timing of this motion is significant, as it coincides with ongoing discussions about corruption and accountability in politics. As Menendez awaits sentencing, scheduled for January 29th, the outcome of this legal battle remains uncertain. His request for a new trial will be closely monitored, not only by those directly involved but also by political observers and constituents who are keenly aware of the implications of corruption in public office. The case has already sparked discussions about the integrity of the judicial process and the responsibilities of prosecutors in ensuring a fair trial. As the legal proceedings continue, the focus will undoubtedly remain on the potential fallout from this case and its impact on Menendez's political future. With the stakes high and the public interest peaked, this story is far from over. The courtroom drama surrounding Bob Menendez serves as a reminder of the complexities of the legal system and the enduring challenges of maintaining ethical standards in politics. As the nation watches, the question remains: will Menendez's plea for a new trial be granted, and what will that mean for the future of accountability in American politics? That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.